Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you replace a main top clip in your dryer, be sure to unplug the power cord. Pull out the lint filter and place a towel over the opening to prevent the screws from falling into the venting. Use a Phillips head screwdriver to unthread the screws, securing the main top to the lint filter housing. Now insert a putty knife under the main top to release the two spring clips. Lift the main top up. If still intact, detach the old clip from the front panel. You're now ready to install the new main top clip. With the long end facing forward, insert that end into the front panel slot, then snap the shorter end into place. Lower the main top and snap it into position. Thread and tighten the screws to secure the main top to the lint filter housing. Replace the lint filter. With the repair completed, plug the power cord back in, and your dryer should be ready for use.